I'm Louise Heathwaite. I'm Executive Chair of the Natural Environment Research Council, and we're here in Glasgow today as part of our UKRI strategy engagement functions. We've had 2 events today. We've run a round table this morning, and we've also run a town hall later today. Huge amount of energy in the room, really great engagement, lots and lots of ideas, lots of positives and critical and constructive conversations, lots of comments around how the strategy can be developed, lots of issues that people wanted to raise that we've had chance to discuss. Some concern around curiosity-driven research, how that was going to work and whether it would be protected. And we had a good discussion about that, and people got the message that the UKRI really strongly want to focus on that, and it's important for us. The second area that was developed, and it's not surprising being in Scotland, is the importance of place and how we actually invest in place properly so we get the best ideas looking forward. The question around competing at subscale and collaborating at scale was very much around how can we learn from the opportunities around building on expertise in certain areas, rather than actually competing where you've got similar USPs. It's about how we can make the connectivity in that area so we can grow the collaborations and build on expertise. And that's actually something that Scotland has done extremely well. And it's done it historically in terms of major investments such as the research pooling exercise, which had major investments from the Scottish Funding Council and the university around growing capacity in particular areas of science such as physics and chemistry and economics, for example. The third area was mainly around learning from the communities that we're working in. So Scotland is a very connected place, partly because it's got a fairly small population and basically concentrated in a fairly small area. That means that you've got great connection between the scientists, government departments and ministers. Ideas get around very quickly, and that means that there's a lot of fertilisation of great ideas and great input. That leads through to fabulous science, and Scotland certainly punches above its weight in terms of that science, but it also leads to really excellent outcomes in terms of engagement with industry and engagement with innovation. This is really important for UKRI moving forward, so we've got great opportunities there.